Introducing the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan A CL 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower and a sleek white exterior. This estate/Jeep is packed with comfort and safety features, including air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning. The interior boasts luxury trim, cup holders, and a load cover. With ABS, collision avoidance braking, and trailer stability program, you can feel secure on the road. Not to mention the chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails, adding style and security. This vehicle comes fully serviced, with a warranty and health check. Visit burnscarsales.ie or call us today for more information on this impressive Tiguan.